Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm showing you how to knit this slouchy beanie. So to begin, you need any colour wool of your choice, 5mm double pointed needles, and we're going to cast on 100 stitches. We're going to distribute 34 stitches on 2 double pointed needles, as you can see here. And then we're going to place a stitch marker on the last stitch. Now we're going to join in the round and knit 2, purl 2, 10 rounds. And you want to knit every stitch on the 3 double pointed needles, and that counts as 1 round. You can change colour every 2 rounds if desired, because this is what I did, but you don't have to. You can change however many rows you want, or add more or less colours. So you should now have something like this. Now we just have to knit all the stitches until it measures 8 inches from the cast on row. It should now look something like this. It is very messy because of the tail ends every time I change colour. To shape for round 1 is knit 2 together and knit 18. And repeat that all the way around across the 3 needles. For round 2, we knit 2 together and we knit 17. For round 3, we knit 2 together and knit 16. Round 4, knit 2 together and knit 15. Round 5, knit 2 together and knit 14. Round 6, knit 2 together and knit 13. Round 7, knit 2 together, knit 12. Round 8, knit 2 together and knit 11. Round 9, knit 2 together and knit 10. Round 10, knit 2 together and knit 9. Round 11, knit 2 together and knit 8. Round 12, knit 2 together and knit 7. Round 13, knit 2 together and knit 6. Round 14, knit 2 together and knit 5. Round 15, knit 2 together and knit 4. Round 16, knit 2 together and knit 3. Round 17, knit 2 together and knit 2. We've almost finished. Round 18, knit 2 together and knit 1. Now all stitches are on one needle, so we're going to cut the end of the wool and pull through the remaining stitches. We're going to pull that tight and then we're going to weave the ends in. I use a crochet hook, but you can use a needle if you prefer. And now this is the finished hat. Thank you very much for watching.